Sparta Diverse for possible shooting, 4270 Everett Street.
6-8. 301. 311. 260. Philip.
The first caller, 4270 Everett Street, said they heard shots fired and thought a subject was down on the ground. We're getting additional calls now. Caller at 4250 said he heard 10 shots and sees 3 people laying on the ground. And at leading eastbound, the male with the gun was a black male, 20s, 5'10", medium build, wearing a red do-rag, black tank top, possibly chasing another male. Very near Phoenix and Route.
And 301 just confirmed people are running around on foot.
There's at least one male running around with a gun, chasing another from the area of 4250. We're getting a report there are possibly 4 people shot.
Oh, you're fine, it's canine.
Copy. Again, for all units around, we have one report of a male that was with a gun eastbound on 43rd. Black male, 20s, 5'10", medium build, red do-rag, black tank top, was chasing another. We have several reports of the same suspect seen standing over at least one of the individuals firing at him. The male involved the shots may have gone back inside a home. We haven't confirmed that information yet. There may be a blue older Mercury confirmed, or rather associated with the doors open, which is parked in the driveway of the house.
James Ray2's route.
Sounds right to received.
What's the address?
The first caller was 4270 Everett Street. The caller who thinks the subject is associated with a house gave an address of 2037 East 43. I believe that's the caller's address. I don't have a confirmed address associated with the suspect yet. And for units en route, we have another RP saying the subject who ran is described as a black male teen, 5'7", 150. This is the first one mentioning shoulder length black dreadlocks with a hoodie and dark pants. And 702, a report of a possible child may have been injured as well.
Received.
6-8, standing by to the south.
Filter 6, they received. For units en route, we have a caller at 4252 Everett Street saying that a house associated is possibly 2 to 3 homes to the south. And they're staying people in front of that location.
That last update, is that what the suspect is?
I can't confirm that information. I think they're just seeing the people out in front of that address. I don't have an address yet for the suspect that I can find in a call. One person just thought he went back in a home.
Yeah. Hey, Nick, are you waiting on 44th? Is that where you're waiting?
260, give us the suspect description one more time.
Blackmail and
They have a bystander saying that there's 3 more people behind 4258 in the alley. I have at least 1 body out in front of it right now.
Copy. Possibly 2 down behind 4258 Everett.
Search for me now.
2-3, copy. Suspect described again as a blackmale in his 20s. 5'10" medium red do-rag. The other said it was a dark do-rag. One said he had long hair. Dark shirt, dark shorts.
6A, I'll need fire priority to my location. One bystander saying that the shooter ran northbound, black jacket, red shirt, and blue jeans, light skin.
Was black jacket, red shirt, and jeans and red northbound?
260, I got 3 down, all non-responsive. 4258 in the alley, just west of that address.
Received. 3 down as well.
Area.
Search you for a with dog if you took off on foot.
Yeah, we're trying.
301 with 68, I need more people over there with 260 in the alley.
You to the alley behind 4258 Everett.
260 priority traffic.
260.
Okay, I got a female caller in top floor 4258 saying the shooter's possibly in the ground floor of her unit. I need 1 unit out front. Holster, go back out front. I got the back.
Is it possibly inside 4258 ground floor unit?
301, don't send fire in right now.
One copy fire to respond to direct in.
No, don't send them in. We're right in front where the shooter is right here with all these people. We'll let you know when we can get them in. It's not safe.
Receive fire staging. Again, fire will be staging. 4258 Everett, possible suspect inside.
Anderson, who's out front of 4258 here? 311, 69, and 301.
I'm in the back with you, Dave.
260, working fire stage. We got one that's possibly alive. We want to scoop them and get them out to fire.
We'll find out.
We got priority to fire on this house. Where's the suspect? X-ray fire. Three one. What's the history on the address that 260 gave you? 4258.
I have no recent history. Let me check back further.
You can also try 4256. That's also the bottom floor.
Proceed.
And 301.
Go ahead.
Right now we got the house locked down. I need units to come help us move bodies and casualties south of so fire can tend to them.
Proceed. Fire is just outside of 4258 Everett with moving patients so fire can get to them south of the scene.
260 carrying one. I need one more person up here. Phallus is giving CPR to another that we need to pull out of here.
Copy. One more to 4258. They have CPR in progress, sir.
211, I'm still covering the back of the house, but we have at least 2 more in the back here, yeah.
Copy. At least 2 more behind 425 East
321,
Everett.
did we get fire to 44 East Everett?
Where do you want fire? 44.
Yes, 44 in East Everett. Let's make that the fire area that we're going to carry all these bodies.
44 in East Everett.
Three, two, one. Can we get fire to 44 East Everett?
Fire's been advised 44 East Everett.
And 3-1 for an update again. A female is still in there. We're not getting any contact from her. I don't know if the suspect's in there with us. But
Was
that's
she
the last note we got.
Okay, was she inside, upstairs, or down?
She's upstairs.
Copy. No further contact with her. She was upstairs. Female inside the residence, again, upstairs, 1635.
211, the female upstairs is in the window here at the back.
Oh, 211, copy. And Smokey's in the area.
Units. I'm at 3 McKinley and fire's right behind.
260, 44 Everett. We got one. We need fire. He's still alive.
Fire's advised for 44 and Everett if someone can get a patient there.
We have a patient here. There's no fire.
We'll find out how far out there.
I got ladder 1 at 3 in Portland right now.
Okay, ladder 1's coming in from 38 in Portland.
Hey, Tabor, are you able to confirm that the actual suspect's the one that's in this house? I got people saying that he ran northbound. I should make sure we're holding on this house.
Yeah, I can't confirm anything other than there's 2 down in the back here. No response from either of them. There's a female in the upstairs of this house. And I'm not sure where the info that he might be inside of this house came from.
Upstairs female, Caper. She was young. Yeah, he ran into the house. Black male, do-rag, white tank top. She watched him shoot the people in the backyard and then come into the house.
Copy.
Coma, fire's all stacked up at 44 in Portland. Can you have them come in? Okay, 301, I got neighbors across the street in front of this house that we're holding saying that no one else ran out the front door. So right now we're toying with the info that the suspect's inside this house, first floor.
Okay, 1 copy. Zero 6 traffic.
Hey, were you able to get our phone number so dispatch can call in there? Oh, 9-211, I'm coming over towards you.
Update from the female inside the house that she never actually saw him go in the house. He ran from west to east around the house, and their front doors are unlocked, so she didn't know if he'd come in or not. She was hiding upstairs.
Okay, 1 copy.
How about that dog?
No answer for K9 yet. Smokey is up in the air and en route.
Sam 186 to Sam 082. Are you good on scene or do you need another?
No, I'm good on scene right now.
718.
Hey, this is Lincoln 8. We could use some more.
Okay, I received additional units to respond. And do we have authorization to page out K9?
And Lincoln 8, let's have anybody that's not here already stage at 44 in Everett.
We get the units that are not yet on scene, stage at 44 in Everett.
Everyone, we're checking inside the house right now. We got additional witnesses saying that the suspect actually ran northbound, so we're doing a welfare check inside.
Okay, we're doing a welfare check inside 4258 Everett.
So 11, just be advised there is at least a female upstairs.
Copy. At least a female will be inside at 4258 Everett upstairs.
I have a witness to saying that the suspect ran northbound on T Street from 44. Trying to get further.
Different copy.
The description he's giving me is black male, black shirt, black pants, dark hair.
This guy's a couple different reports. One said he had on a white top, red or dark do-rag, and dark pants or shorts.
I'm going with X-ray 248. The suspect was apparently stripping clothes. We're going to go try to find him towards 42 in East Teton. House is clear.
Officer 11 received house is clear at 4258.
X-ray 24, we're checking for a new start point. If we have anybody else to try to set up containment if he ran northbound.
49, I'm running back to my car so I can set up containment up north. 301, since this house is secure now and I know you ran northbound, you can send fire down this alley for 2 more people back.
Okay, fire can come in then to check behind 4258 Everett Street.
Sam 186 at 44 Everett.
26 shift. We're going to try Never Bridge for K9.
And 301, since we got it secure right now, if it's okay with everyone else, can we secure a side channel for us so we can self-containment?
Is everyone at a point where we can switch to TAC 1, correction TAC 2 and secure it? Or actually PCL 11 if we can since we have smoky overhead?
Copy, I'm switching. We can cancel the beeper.
We're going to cancel the beeper and all units
Before we switch to PCL 11, I have a possible new start point. Clothing located at standby. Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll announce it over on PC 11 as soon as you have it. And again, all units go to PCL 11. We have Smokey assisting overhead. Again, all units PCL 11 for the shooting call. 4258 Everett.
Lincoln 8 is, we got another sergeant heading over here.
That 186 is at 44 in Everett, and I should have 082 at scene. Is that correct?
That's enough. I'm coming looking for 186.
He's at 44th in Everett, and we're all switching to PC LE11 for the call.
Copy. I'll switch.